It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Happy Candle Day! I am back. We got a lot to talk about. I'm more awake. I got my tea. Always a good thing there. I got another candle burning in the kitchen. I'm going to review later. I'll leave that for a surprise. Also, we got some candles that are starting to sell out. Actually, a lot that are starting to sell out. I'm surprised. Yesterday morning, I think there were 173 candles online. We're now down to 134 plus more that are saying sold out online. I tried to gather up the candles that are sold out, but if you want Christmas candles, I would buy them like now because they're going. They're going really fast. I would say by next week, by Body Care Day, Christmas candles are going to be gone. Also, what's going to be gone are the Christmas water globes and decorations because everything is 50% off. So I'm going to talk about Santa here. I got Santa, you guys. I'm so excited. Also, I have another video coming up, I don't know, today or tomorrow. My mom actually went to Trader Joe's. Coco's agreeing here. Look what she got at Trader Joe's. 12 Days of Beauty. I'm so excited. She also got some other neat stuff at Trader Joe's that I want to show you guys. So I have a whole big Trader Joe Christmas haul coming. I think there's someone outside because Coco is not happy. But I got to talk about Trader Joe's another day when I'm more organized. Today's Candle Day. I got so much going on for Candle Day. So it was like yesterday or the day before, Bath and Body Works put all of their Christmas pedestals on sale. Peppermint Lane, which is a candle holder, is actually sold out already. Online, you can still get the magnet. This actually goes on top of a candle. These are super pretty. You can actually put them on your refrigerator. These are $4.47. There is literally like no Christmas in terms of candle holders online hardly. We've got the Water Globe Holiday Pedestal with the little house in it. We've got the Geo Snowflake Pedestal, and we've got the Ornate Snowflake that are all on sale for 50% off. Also on sale is the Water Globe Santa. So I'm going to review this in a second, but let me talk about the sold out stuff first. I feel like everything Christmas is just flying off the shelves. It's December 2nd. It's not even that like late in the season. Oh my gosh. I remember in the 70s, like we'd put our Christmas tree up like on December 20th. That's when Christmas started. Now Christmas starts like in July. It's crazy. But it's just the way the world is now. I kind of like it. But I also go, wow, yeah, Christmas is starting to wrap up. Like, no, we're going to start seeing Valentine's Day in the store pretty soon. So the candles that are sold out, I noticed, cinnamon sugared pecans is now sold out online. I like this one. It was a little on the light side last year. I need to review that one. The Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit and Tiki Beach is gone. Eucalyptus Rain, this one is now gone. This one's strong. And I noticed that Snowy Coconut Frost is also gone. This is the new coconut one. So Christmas is just flying off the shelves online. It's kind of annoying now because I keep going online because I need to look at stuff. And every time I try to go online, I have to sit in the queue for like 3 minutes. It's not a long time, I'll have to say. But every time, Tipsy Elf just sold out. Oh my goodness. I was worried about that one. I thought that one was going to go really fast. So literally, as we speak, I'm a little bit worried if you're starting to like load your cart now, that things are going to get sold out. There's nothing more annoying than having stuff in your cart. You go to check out and it says, sorry, low stock. That is like horrible when that happens because then you have to go back, take out the item, and then recheck out. So I have a feeling more so White Eucalyptus and Sage just sold out literally minutes ago because I just looked at those. Dream Bright is sold out. I would get your cinnamon stick and Waikiki Beach coconut fast because I have a feeling that one is going to be sold out next. But it seems like Christmas candles are hot this year. And, people are really buying a lot of these. I think winter is sold out too. So, this is not one of those sales that you want to wait on. One Christmas candles and you have specific candles in mind, don't wait because this is going to be the lowest price at the $9.95. You might find candles a little bit lower for semi-annual sale, which starts December 26th. Sometimes you get candles in that $6 range, but the selection is going to be a lot lower. You're not going to necessarily get the candles you want, but at that low price point, a lot of people are like, I'll take any Christmas candle, which is a great way to shop. I mean, I like that too. It's like, I got a $6 candle, so that's fun. So, one candle that, I don't know, this one could sell out quickly too. It's Vanilla Balsam. I love this one so much. I got to review this one. And Vanilla Balsam looks amazing on top of my Santa. I like the way it looks because you get the Christmas red and green. So I got to talk about this water globe. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know me. I was like, I'm not buying it. I am not buying it. It's ugly. I'm not buying it. And then I went into the store and I looked at it again and I'm like, not as ugly as I thought. It's kind of cute. It was hard to tell in the store. You ever see something in the store and you don't like it and then you bring it home and you love it? That's kind of what happened with this Santa water globe. So it is not like a huge water globe, but I love this thing. It's actually really delightful. The details. The Santa is actually super cute with the sparkly glitter inside. It kind of looks like, his beard is like sparkling. And from the back, it just looks like his coat is sparkling. And then on the bottom, it's hard to see, but there are stars on the bottom. Oh, here's the switch. The switch is on the back on this one. I'll turn it off for a minute so you can see the stars. And then, at the top has got, the ribbon and the bow. And then you're going to set your candle up here. I had this on my shelf. I am going to display this. I am so happy I got this. So this is now $37.95. It is half off. I did have a 10 off coupon. Gosh, was that yesterday? I went shopping. I think it was. It feels like 100 years ago. So I got this for $27.95, which I think was a great price. I'm actually super excited I got it. So you never know. I swear. I was totally down on that. I'm like, not getting the Santa. You guys heard me. I'm like, not getting the Santa. And now that I have it home, I'm like, I love the Santa. It's so cute. So if you've been kind of on the fence about Santa, I definitely recommend this. I think this is absolutely adorable. It's now one of my favorite pieces. I'm going to put this in my display. Also yesterday, I'm going to review this for you guys. I'm not going to even open it yet. I will review this on camera. Oops, it's upside down. I got the Champagne Toast perfume. I'm so excited to share this with you. I haven't even opened it yet. We have so much going on with Candle Day. So anyway, let me know what's happening in the store. Are you experiencing anything that's sold out yet? Online is starting to get low. And, once it goes like really low, I'm sure they're going to bring in new candles. We'll see what's next for coming into semi-annual sale. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Happy Candle Day.